Depending on the number format you use, you may or may not be able to align the numbers the way you want. So here we've got number formats, currencies, and accounting. I want them all to be in the middle. You'll see those two move, but if you're using accounting format, it doesn't move. So you just got to decide which one you want. Perhaps you want to use the accounting format, but you don't want it to be always right aligned. Just to show you what's happening, if you've chosen the accounting format, if you go to custom, you'll see that there's a little star that Excel puts in here. This is telling Excel that it must always be right aligned. So we can actually create a custom format. I'm just going to remove all the stars. When I say OK, you'll see it now is accounting format. And the benefit is if that's a 0, it becomes a dash. I'm just going to undo. But it at least allows you to now say where you want the alignment to be.